If you're considering the HealthEquity mobile app for managing your HSA, FSA, or other health-related accounts, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll cover the pros and cons of HealthEquity, comparing it with some of the top competitors in the market to help you make a well-informed choice. First thing to note, HealthEquity offers an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, especially when compared to other platforms like Optum or Fidelity. Many users report a seamless experience when checking balances and making transactions, which is crucial when managing your health funds on the go. Next thing, fees. HealthEquity has been criticized for its account maintenance fees and transaction charges, especially for HSA accounts. This can add up, and it's a key point to consider when comparing to competitors like Lively or HSA Bank, which offer lower fees or even no fees on certain accounts. The third thing to know is how the app integrates with your employer benefits. HealthEquity works well with many employer-sponsored plans, but some users have noted that integration with specific providers isn't always as smooth as it could be. If you're looking for a hassle-free experience here, apps like Health Savings Accounts by Lively might offer better options. Next up is the customer service. HealthEquity is known for having a fairly solid support system, but wait times can be long, especially during peak times. This is a common issue with many finance-related apps, but it's something worth considering. Competitors like HSA Bank have received better marks for quicker response times. The fifth thing to consider is investment options. HealthEquity offers a variety of investment opportunities for HSA holders, but its selection isn't as diverse as what you might find with companies like Fidelity, which has more comprehensive choices for experienced investors. The sixth thing, mobile experience. The HealthEquity app provides basic features, but it's a bit limited when it comes to tracking your health-related spending. For those looking for more detailed financial planning tools, apps like Mint or Personal Capital might be a better fit. The seventh point, security. HealthEquity uses multi-factor authentication, which is a good practice. But like any financial service, it's important to stay vigilant. While their security is generally solid, be sure to compare this with other apps to ensure you're comfortable with their protocols. The eighth thing to know is the customer rewards program. HealthEquity's program is decent, but not as robust as competitors. Apps like Lively offer more attractive benefits and rewards for using your HSA to cover qualified medical expenses, making it a more appealing choice for some users. Next thing, account accessibility. HealthEquity allows you to access your funds via the mobile app, website, or by contacting customer service. However, it can sometimes take longer to process transactions compared to other apps like Optum, which has a faster and smoother process. The 10th thing, educational resources. HealthEquity offers some educational tools, but they're not as comprehensive as what you'll find with other providers. Apps like Optum provide more in-depth guides and learning materials to help users maximize their healthcare savings. The 11th thing is support for dependents. HealthEquity allows users to manage their funds for dependents, but it's a bit clunkier than other services. If you're looking for smoother integration, Lively makes managing dependents' expenses a lot easier through their app. Finally, the 12th thing, overall usability. HealthEquity is fairly user-friendly, but if you're looking for something with a bit more polish and advanced features, you might want to explore other options. Competitors like Lively or HSA Bank provide a more modern interface with more robust tracking and management options. In conclusion, HealthEquity is a solid app for managing your health accounts, but there are definitely more polished and cost-effective options out there. If you're looking for a better alternative, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see how it compares.